Hi, Delina. Ash, did I just see you? I think I saw your name. Oh my god, Love Grows. Hi. Hi, Alexis. Hi, Bethany. I know, I just went live last night and the day before, but I think on this account, the dinner lives, like, this is the first one I've done in a while. Hi, hey, is it Lana? Hi, Lana. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Gwyneth. Hi, Denise. Hi, T. Waller. Hi, Alicia. Hi, Vibes. Hi, Ariana. Hi, Kate. Hi, Jaylee. Hi, Metal Dumpling. That's a funny name. Thank you, Love Grows. Hi, Brittany. Hi, Danny. You guys, so I have this, voila, sweet and sour chicken. It says white meat chicken and white rice in a sweet and sour sauce with bell peppers, carrots, onions, and diced pineapple. I hope it's good. I'm gonna spruce it up. Hi, Jesse. I'm good, Brittany. How are you? Hi, Francis. Hi, Kaylee. Hi, Tay. Hi, Auntie. Oh my god, that's so awesome. Hi, Blue. Hi, Bart. Hi, Red. Hi, Keely. Thank you, Jamie, for the share. Hi, Alicia. Hi, Julia. All right, you guys. Oh, you have? I know. I hope it tastes better if I spruce it up, though. I don't like anything like this. My husband picked this out. I don't like things that are like, because they look so good in the package, and usually the meat is what's so bad. It's spongy and ugh. I'm cooking it in the wok, so I hope it works. Thank you, Beck. Thank you so much. Oh my god, Kay, the pickup line is like the worst. The one we go in, it like wraps around a whole nother building. It's so long. Hi, Mariah. I'm glad you're here. You're lucky. I got none because we put all the birds together in like the main pens or whatever, and one of them eats them all. Actually, I think it's more than one. Hi, Danielle. Thank you, Blink. Hi, Crystal. I'm good. How are you? Boo. Yeah, I know. I'm hoping the wok will make it better, but I don't know. And usually I don't eat eggs, farm fresh eggs, because my husband and I both have gotten really sick from eggs because we're around them so much. It's just like this weird thing. Like if you're around eggs or anything too much, if you eat them, you can get sick. But since it's very little, I think it'll be okay. Because I can eat pork fried rice, so I think it'll be okay. Hi, Megan. Thank you, Jersey. Oh my god, Toots, hi. I love cats. I have 2 cats. Australia. Hi, Amy. Hi, Omar. Thank you, Angie. Hi, Notorious. Thank you, Amy. Hi, Megan. Thank you, Pebbles. Oh, I love meatloaf. So I'm just sprucing up this bird's eye sweet and sour chicken. I'm gonna get started. Let's see. I don't want to break the eggs. I've never eaten one of my Sea Brights eggs before, so I'm excited to see how those are. I am nervous that we'll get sick, but maybe it'll be good. Upstate New York. I love upstate New York. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you, Beck. I try to reply to everybody. Sometimes I miss some, but I really try. Yes, I'm from New Hampshire. Oh my god, Chili's, it's you. Thank you, baby. Thank you, Chili's. It is technically cannibalism, I guess. Thank you, Chili's. Thank you, baby. It was a wild ride. So this is from the movie Tommy Boy. I got it because of Chris Farley. I love Chris Farley. I'm good, Chili's. How are you? Thank you, CP. Massachusetts, New Zealand, Syracuse. Is that in upstate? I don't know much about upstate. I know that I've been to, like, Granville. I think that's upstate. Thank you, Jagged, and it's good to see you. You guys, I'm going to put some peanut oil. Oh my god, that was so much. Alright, now some toasted sesame oil. Thank you, Alicia. Alright, I put way too much peanut oil in there, but I think it'll be fine, because it's a lot to cook. So I got this bird's eye thing. Oh my god, Evil Barbie and Alicia, thank you. Oh, my Pioneer Woman scissors. Love it. Oh, is this a flavor packet? Okay. Thank you, Stacy. Lupa, I'm who your mom followed. That's who. Look it. Thank you, Vermont. That's awesome. My husband's from Vermont. Lupa, oh my god, I know it makes you so sad that someone as fat and bald as me can, like, literally have this many followers. I know, it's so depressing. This is from Tommy Boy. Vancouver, that's so cool. Oh my god, Kenya, it's good to see you. Texas, hi, Tiffany. Oh my god, this is like, it's literally a clump. Okay. Oh my god, Ashley, hi, how are you? Finland? Oh my god, I do need to get, like, a map and, like, mark off where everyone's from, because I just think it's very cool that everyone's from different places. Bahamas? Dobby, my day has been good. How has your day been? What? Wilmington, Delaware. Brooklyn. Utah. Thank you, Erica. Oh my god, M, hi, I'm glad you're here. Arkansas, Oklahoma, Northern Virginia. Thank you, Julia. I know, I know. My husband picked this out. It sounds good and it looks good, but every time I buy packages like this, the meat is not good. Oh my god, Julie, how are you? Michigan, Long Island, Missouri, Wisconsin, Iowa, Vermont. New Zealand. I get a lot of people from New Zealand. My husband wants to visit New Zealand so bad. New Hampshire. Hi, Erica. Thank you, Julia. I should have done that, Jersey. I definitely should have done that. Yes, Lana, I should have done that. I should have banged it against the counter or something, because it is like, it'll come apart, but I think it'll take a minute. Kansas, Ohio, Indiana. East Coast. That's awesome. A fellow East Coaster. Hawaii. Hi, Emily. You guys, one time, two people recognized each other from my live. I think that's so cool. Like, in public. Thank you, Susan. And that's awesome you're from Boston. Turgy, my day. Is it Turgy or Turgy? My day has been good. How has your day been? I hope you're well, Josh. Hey, it's still the East Coast. Thank you, I think. Any cis man that I'm compared to, it's a compliment. Hi, Julia. Maine. Hi, Sarah. This is from Amazon. My friend got it for me. Illinois. I've never been there. I'm good today, Mama. How are you? Thank you, Vicky. Ireland. Oh, that's so cool. Thank you, Twilight. You know what that reminds me of is everybody always says my house when I do the dances looks like Jacob's house. Hi, user. I'm glad you're here, too, and I'm good. How are you? Root beer, I'm from the USA, too. Washington. I have so much family in Washington. Anna Cortez. Oh, my God, Linda, hi. So I am making, and I put it in the intro just in case, I'm making this sweet and sour chicken, which I know these aren't usually good, but I'm sprucing it up. See, I'm gonna, like, make all this, and then I had leftover yellow and Spanish rice I'm gonna put in it. And then I'm going to use soy sauce, some minced onions, some sesame seeds, some minced garlic, some scrambled egg, and is there anything else? Oh, and then it comes with a sauce packet. Oh, and then just a little bit of sazon, just a tiny bit. Oh my god, Domo, you're here again. I'm so glad. Oh, nachos are good. Alfalfa, I haven't seen you in a while. Thank you, user. We're good, Becky. How are you? Oh my god, thank you, Linda. Thank you, user. Thank you, Delaney. Nisa, oh my god, how are you? Thank you, Linda. Thank you, user. Hi, Princess. Thank you, Delaney, for the follow. Now, where's Pikeville? I'm good, Stephanie. How are you? Thank you, Eve, for the follow. I'm glad you're here too, Becky, and thank you so much. Thank you, Terrifically Terrible. That's a cool username. I feel like that would be like a book. Hi, Zariah. I know it's 794. I'm excited to see what it looks like. I actually need to get a spoon or spatula or something. Oh, spatula. I hope this is, like, hard enough to, you know. I definitely should have banged this against the counter for sure. Oof. Thank you, user. I'm glad to hear that, Stephanie. Kentucky, alright. Thank you, McKenna, and it's good to see you again. Thank you, Abigail. Hi, Megan. Thank you, Rachie, for the follow. This is from Amazon, and thank you so much, Ocean. And I remember you from my other live. Thank you for being here again. I should. I don't have a cover, though. My dad always covers stuff with tinfoil, but I think I'm just going to let it go. Let it do its thing. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you, Tatted, for the share. Oyster sauce. I had oyster sauce, but I don't know what happened to it. Thank you, Britt, for the follow. Oh my god, I cover stuff with plates too, and I also drain stuff with plates on top. Like, or strain, not drain. Thank you, Julia, and Mom, and Sarah, and Britt for the follows. Thank you, Ava. Yes, and then I can have longer on the live. Thank you, Jemiah, for the follow. A cutting board. Hey, it's a good idea, though. I do that with a spoon sometimes, a wooden spoon, like, to make it not go over. I don't know if it works, but... Alligator corn dogs? Are those real? Thank you, Julia. Thank you, Mom. Hi, Sarah. Thank you, Emma. Oh my god, that's what... Yeah, my son wanted pizza. I was like, no, this is what I'm making. It has to be a real wooden spoon. Are the ones you usually get, are they like a material that's not 100% wood? Thank you, Shar. Julia, I hope you have a great day as well. Yes, but he's lately on kid and dog patrol while I do my lives. So that's why he's not here with me. Although I was thinking soon I need to start baking and stuff. And I need a bake for tomorrow because we have nothing for breakfast. And I have some pumpkin muffins I was going to make. So I was thinking about doing a live later and he'd be with me. I didn't, but I was thinking about it. I was thinking about going back to Uncle Festa, but I shouldn't. Because what if something happens in like Disney or whoever, MGM got mad that I use it or something, but like, that sucks. I loved being Uncle Festa. Pittsburgh. Oh my god, Carissa, hi. Oh my god, that's so cool. I haven't seen you in a while. I haven't done lives in a while, though, that's why. Thank you, Gracie. Hi, Weird. Thank you, Amy. Oh my god, crockpot chili, though, that sounds good. It's kind of chilly today, so... Thank you, Desiree. Hi, Mamasaurus. Thank you, user. Renee, I've been good. How have you been? You're probably right, Jaylee. Thank you, Cammy. Thank you, Turgy. Hi, Aunt Rose. I'm trying to think if I ever had an Aunt Rose. I don't know. Julia, I'm glad to see you back. Desiree, I am making... I know that these usually aren't great, but it's a bird's eye, like, sweet and sour chicken thing, but I'm sprucing it up. I got some leftover rice from last night, some Spanish and yellow rice, and then I'm going to try to put some egg in it, like pork fried rice, and then... And also I'm cooking it in... I think it's toasted sesame oil and peanut oil. Oh my god, I saw something about bagels. Oh my god, Asiago bagels, they're my favorite. Oh, they're my new favorite. I actually just recently tried them, and they've become my new favorite. Hi, Grayson. Thank you, Julia. No, Panda, I did not. Julia, I think somebody else in my live, Alfalfa, is having nachos as well. Thank you, Angie. Thank you, Strange. Oh my god. Thank you, Maya. Grayson, I hope you're doing great. Thank you, I agree. I love Chris Farley. Love Coneheads. Coneheads is my favorite one. Well, besides, like, SNL, but as far as movies go. Oh my god, thank you, Maddie. Uncle Bagels, I love it. Oh my god, do you know my dad used to get ragged on because he loves bagels so much? He goes to me once, he goes, I've eaten a bagel every morning for 30-something years. That's a lot of years and a lot of bagels. Thank you, Desiree. Thank you, Maddie. I know, I love it. And you know something? I just discovered it. My husband introduced me to, like, all the 90s movies, which is funny because he's younger than me. And I started to get into them, like Coneheads, Biodome. What is the other one we saw? What's the one where they have the underground thing with Brendan? Is it Brendan Fraser? Oh, that one where they're underground. Misty, thank you. Me too, saying. Oh my god, Gracie, thank you. Happy birthday, Sarah. Thank you, Galaxy. I do like Black Sheep, but there's one 90s movie where it's like Brendan, I think it's Brendan Fraser, I don't know. Blast from the Past. Yes, yes, Mama, you're right. Yeah, I love that movie. Thank you, Misty. Yes, Fetty, I love that movie. My husband introduced me. Oh, and Little Nicky, I had never seen Little Nicky. And so I don't know if that's a 90s movie or early thousands, I don't know, or 2000s, but I just saw that. I hadn't seen it, because I have a hard time sitting through movies, but my husband, he's like, you have to see these, they're classics, and he's right. Yes, I loved Little Nicky, that was so cute. Thank you, Sheila. The Burbs, I haven't seen that. Oh my god, Doug Dimmadome, owner of the Dimsdale Dimmadome. Thank you, user. Oh my god, I haven't seen Donnie Darko. Thank you, Fetty. Oh my gosh, Grandpa, I'm glad that I can cheer you up, and I hope that things get better. Thank you, user. No, kid, I can't. Nice try, though. A for effort. Iowa, I am making, like, this sweet and sour chicken with some leftover rice. I'm, like, trying to make, like, kind of a stir-fry type thing. Thank you, user. Really? Is it? Oh, you know what else my husband introduced me to? Oh, my God. I'm not gonna... Oh, my God. What is the name of it? That... Monty Python. He introduced... Which I'm, like, I'm hit or miss with that. I don't know. It's, like, one of the movies I saw was, like, okay... But then the rest of what I saw, I'm like, I don't know if I like it. So lately, I've been getting more into that a little bit. Like, my husband and I are I'm rewatching Supernatural. He's never seen it. This is his first time. But usually I'm actually too scared to watch stuff like that. But I have seen, like, all of Black Mirror. Well, no, I didn't see the last season, but most of Black Mirror and Stranger Things and everything. Thank you, Misty. Hi, they love me. I haven't seen Clockwork Orange. Thank you, Misty. Which one? Black Mirror, Supernatural, or Stranger Things? I think they're all worth it. Thank you, Misty. Supernatural is, like, super worth it. It's really good. Though I don't like that, like, thank you, Misty. How, like, after season 5, it's like, or is it season 8? I think it's season 5, the hunting dies down. Like, it used to be a new adventure every day, and then it kind of focuses on drama. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Misty. Hi, Kaylee. Oh, I like Step Brothers. Yeah, I've seen that. See, I love Will Ferrell, and, like, I know so many people that don't like him. Like, a lot of my friends don't. I think my husband doesn't like Will Ferrell. I can't remember. But I love him. I think he's funny. Like, Chelsea is a really good show. Tyler, hi, I am sprucing up this Bird's Eye sweet and sour chicken packet with some leftover rice from last night, some scrambled eggs and some spices and stuff. Hopefully it comes out okay. I agree, Kaylee. Thank you, schoolgirl. I agree, Will Smith. I really like him. I think he's great. Hi, Skylar. Crowley, that's great taste. And also, is your name after Supernatural? So I actually put 3M tape on my phone. So luckily I'm not like, you know, my phone case is really cheap or else I wouldn't do it. But I like stuck it to the wall. Yeah, Jim Carrey for me is like a hit or miss. I don't know. I like respect him as a comedian. I think he's really good at what he does. It's just not my style. I agree, Mama. Thank you, Natalie. Oh, that's cool. Hi, Miami. I loved Elf. I did. I love Elf. I do. I know, some people like hate that movie. I love Elf. I know, I'm surprised too, but I got this walk for like, I think it was $7.50 at Walmart, and it's huge. Look at how big it is. And I got it for $7.50 at Walmart. I was like amazed. I agree, Miss Crowley. Thank you, Lindsay. I agree, Mama. I love it. Hi, Real Dog. Kevin Hart is funny. Yeah, he's funny. I love Cat Williams. But I haven't seen him around in a while. Yeah, this is definitely going to be, like, kind of mushy. But I'm going to add this to it, the leftover rice, which is going to come out like a, That's okay, though. Oh my god, Allie, thank you. I hope so. Thank you, Miami. Thank you, Allie. Oh my god, Grandpa, that would be so cool. I hope this tastes okay because it's like kind of savory mixed with like kind of sweet. I hope it's not like gross. Tyler, I'm glad you're here. Thank you, Allie. Raylan, I am sprucing up this bird's eye sweet and sour chicken. And then I'm also I wrote in the intro in case anyone misses it. It's in the intro too. Thank you, Mrs. Crowley. Thank you, Allie. Thank you, Allie. Thank you, Mrs. Crowley. Thank you, Alicia. Oh my god, that's so cool you're having corn on the cob and chicken because, what is it? Yeah, corn on the cob is in right now because of that song. I love the Tiny Diny. I think it's cute too. So I'm going to add some soy sauce. I love that it gives it color. And then some sesame seeds. Thank you, Alicia. Alright. Minced onion. Alright. This never comes out great. Alright. And then some minced garlic. Hi, Gabby. I think I have honey, but I don't even know if it's open. I don't feel like opening it. I love bone-in chicken wings, but my husband doesn't, only boneless, but I love boned-in stuff. And I'm putting very little of this Sazón. I don't want to, like, because it's kind of like a sweet thing, like a sweet dish. So I don't want to, I'm just going to put a little tiny bit. And then this stuff, the sauce from the, you know, package. Thank you, girl mama. Hi, Brett. I love chicken wings. Though I don't really like boneless. I like, you know, regular ones. Oh my god, I get it, Mama. I love them. Alright. There we go. Thank you, T-Ferg. I know, I love that about them. You can make them so many different ways. Yes, I like flats too. Hi, Katie. Oh my god, that actually sounds good. I might like that, Mrs. Crowley. That actually does sound good. I hope I don't burn this pan. Maybe I should turn it down. So now, oh my god, Alfalfa and Bonnie. Thank you. Bonnie, hi. Oh my god, it's so good to see you. Alright, so now I'm just like pushing it to one side. Ooh, 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 as best as I can. Now I got the farm fresh eggs. And I washed them. You have to wash farm fresh eggs because, well, you don't have to, but I prefer to. Alright, so I'm going to put that in. This is my little baby sea bright egg. Thank you, Aunt Rose. Oh my god, Doug Dimmadome, owner of the Dimsdale Dimmadome. That's what that reminds me of every time I see it. I tried to wear a cowboy hat once. Oh, it was such a bad idea. Thank you, I love. Thank you, Fetty. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you, Nikki. I just have to go wash my hands. 1 second. Is there soap out here? No. I'll be right back. Okay. Thank you, Jesse. So now I'm just going to kind of scramble it around. And then I'll just, like, mix it in. Thank you, Shauna. Thank you, Jesse. Hi, Kendi. Yeah, I know. I'm nervous they will. But I'm going to try it anyways. Because I can eat pork fried rice and it doesn't make me sick. Oh, my God. That's so cool. Thank you, Nikki. That's so cool. Thank you, Kilo. I love the tiny diny. I definitely will. Noelle, we're good. How are you? The UK. I'm making kind of like a sweet and sour chicken stir-fry type thing. That's kind of what it is. Oops. Oh, rice and beans and tacos would be so good. It doesn't offend me if you refer to me as a woman. Like, that's not offensive to me. Being a woman isn't offensive. I love stir-fry, too. Thank you, Monica. Thank you, Fetty. Yeah, I don't want to wash my hands with it, though. I didn't want to use it for my hands because I don't like the smell of dish soap. I don't know why, I just don't. Thank you, Red. Thank you, Noelle. West Virginia. Are blue and yellow West Virginia colors, or are they your favorite colors? Jesse, I am making some stir-fry type thing. Thank you, Fetty. I think my favorite would be... I like beef better than chicken, I think. I try to eat chicken more, though. North Carolina. Thank you, Jesse, for the follow. Thank you, Deb. Oh my God, D, hi. Me too, Jesse. My favorite meal to make is tacos because you can just do anything with them. Hi, Gabriella. That's a cool way to spell that. Thank you, Stephanie. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you, They Love. Thank you, Red. Hi, Gianna. Hi, Carrie. Oh, I love steak. Oh my God, I made like a steak dish the other day and it was so tender, and I didn't think it would because it was like $7 steak and it was huge. I was like, this is gonna be horrible, and it was really good. Yes, my husband does too, though. It's not just me. He does a lot of cooking, but lately I've been wanting to do my cooking lives again, so it's been more like me, you know what I mean? Oh my God, I love that Taco Tuesday. That's a good day to have them. Oh my God, Dee, thank you. No, that's not weird. I missed you too. Thank you, Annalicia. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you, Fetty. Hi, They Love. Oh my God, thank you, Dee. Oh, that's cute. Hi, Riley. Thank you, Fetty. Shaylin, I'm making like a stir-fry, sweet and sour chicken. Oh my God, Grandpa, thank you. Thank you, Anna. Oh my God, Dee, thank you. That's so cool. Thank you, Grandpa. Oh my God, I've never got that before. It's like the Balloon Man. Thank you, Dee. Thank you, Ghost. Rat. All right, hey. If you want to be called Rat, I think that's kind of badass, and I will call you that. Oh my God, Dee, thank you. Thank you, Eat. We're good, Fetty. How are you? It is very mushy, I will say that. It's like mush. Oh, oof. I almost wish I didn't add the egg. Oof. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Hot Pocket. Thank you, Kaylin. Oh, goulash. My husband taught me about goulash. It's really good. Is it the same as American chop suey? Oh my God, thank you, Bonnie. Thank you, Dalen, and it's good to see you again. Rems, I am making, it's kind of like a sweet and sour chicken stir fry, but it came out really a little rough. Okay, all right, that's what I thought, but like some people are like, no, it's different. But then when I made it, because I did make it once, and I was like, this is American chop suey, like I think. That's all right. I love saying thank you. Hey, but mac and cheese is good, or did that say Cheez-Its? Either way, they're good. Hi, Fast. I'm good. How are you? Without chili powder. I know, I think I should have done that. Thank you, D! But it's like, I'm afraid that... Oh, the chicken, I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna be. But we're eating it. I'll be right back. I'm getting bowls. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's not great, I will say that much. It's kind of a fail, I'd say. It doesn't smell good. It smells pretty rough. But this is what it looks like. Oh, I don't think it's gonna be good. But I will let you know how it is when I do the video after. But you guys, thank you so much for joining. I had a really good time. And I hope to see you tomorrow. I'll try to do a live tomorrow too. So I hope to see you then. And I hope you all have a great night. And thank you to my moderators especially.